This video demonstrates removal of the control panel for component access. Begin by removing these 4 screws at the rear of the washer control panel. Now tilt the control panel slightly forward and slide it to the right to release it from the 3 plastic tabs at the bottom of the control panel. On the left is the water level switch. Disconnect the 3 wiring connectors first. Next, slide the clear pressure hose off of the switch housing. Remove the single 1/4-inch screw. Now lift the pressure switch out of the assembly. The remainder of the control panel assembly is available as one complete part number. Disconnect these 8 wiring connectors from the main control board. Do not discard the model select plug. Place the new control board assembly in front of the machine and install the model select plug first. Then reconnect the 8 harness connections. This concludes this training video.